session we are going to discuss about how to configure the web server. Web server, all of us know about the web server, which is the server which is providing the web pages to the client. Okay, so generally required a Apache web server which is configured inside the Linux. So you need to edit this file etc httpd config and http.conf, this file, and in this file it should be listen the IP address and the port number and document is written here. Okay, so simply the HTTP service can be start by using the systemctl command and start the httpd. And also the next thing is open the firewall for the HTTP or port number 80 by TCP and create a home page. Home page will be created at this location inside the var www.html, because this is the document root folder. So root document folder means all the files will be stored in a root directory. Okay, so when you are opening any specific like kumartraining.com, okay, when you run this kumartraining.com, so it will be hit directly to the document root folder. So it is called document root folder. So root folder may be this, either you can change, it's depend on you. So right now I am not going to change anything. I am going to make this default and use this command, and also open the firewall where add the service port number 80 TCP, and then edit the file, create a new file index.html inside the var www.html. So you can create a web page. This web page will be accessed by everyone. Okay, so first I am going to do that. Apache httpd configuration file. So first I need to install this file, install the HTTP program. So by installing the HTTP program, you will go on your machine and here you will run the command simply sudo dnf. Dnf command is used to install a program in a RPM based command, and -b for the date, and then you will have to provide the HTTP. So you will have to add this file and you will listen 127.0.080 inside the HTTP configuration file. So what you will do, you will open this file sudo and vi editor, use the file etc, then HTTP, and inside the HTTP there is a conf and httpd.conf. Okay. So here first you will find out the line which will use here listen on port number 80. Either you can provide here the particular IP address like 127.0.0.1 and port number 80. Okay, and another thing is you will have to provide the root folder. So I think root folder must be default. So document root is a word.ww.html, so it's okay. Now I am going to save this file. Check the file again. I am going to check this file httpd conf/httpd.conf and grep listen does not exist. Yeah, it is edited. So fine. So now the next thing is I am going to add the firewall. So firewall cmd permanent zone public and add service barabar http. So you need to add this. So you can use the firewall cmd and hyphen permanent and hyphen zone is equal to public add service equal to http. Okay, it is success. Now if you want to firewall cmd reload, another is I am going to check the services here, list all. It will display all the list. So here you can see the HTTP has been added. So what is the next thing? Next thing is you will have to give the permission for this file. First you need to create this file index.html inside word.html. So what you need to do, I am going to move inside the location cd/word and www.html, and inside the folder I am going to create a new file, and by using the nano editor or any editor you can use index.html. Actually this file does not exist, so first I need to create a file by using the touch command, touch, and create the index.html, and here it is, permission denied, so you can use the sudo in starting and hit enter. So once you will create the index file, you need to edit this file, index.html file. So I am putting here, already you know, sudo is unwritable. I am going to exit, so I will have to put the sudo. So here I am going to write this is my first page, but actually you know, the developer know how to develop this website by using the HTML page, HTML, and body, header, title, heading, everything is written there. But I am not going to write this. I am just writing this one simple. And X. So the file has been written. So what is the next task? Next task is restart the service. Start the service and enable the services. So what I can do, I am going to run the systemctl command to start the service, httpd, and same I am going to enable this service So enabling the service, already know what is the use of this enabling the service, and the starting of the boot, the service will be started. Now everything has been started, and now I am going to use the Firefox, and let me check if my page is working or not working. So the ifconfig command, so 10.2. So local host is accessible here. You can see that this is my first page, and you can access by using the 127.0.01. So my website is working properly, and it will be also accessible from the outside of the computer, but not in a public interface. Okay guys, so do you understand how to enable this service HTTP? There is only some few steps to complete the website configuration. First step is installing the HTTPD. So I have used the DNF command to install the HTTPD. Okay. After that, I have opened this file and I make this configuration. Find out this configuration and check. Listen on which port number 80. So this is the configuration is done. Now the configure the firewall by typing the file following. I have configured the firewall by using the firewall cmd -permanent zone public add service HTTP. I have reloaded the firewall. Okay, after that I have configure the file ownership. I forget, but you can do that, and then you can start this service and enable the localhost. Okay, access the website using the browser.